Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today, oh yeah, we got another unboxing. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Before we get started on today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Do not forget to ring that bell as well, so you're going to get notified every time I upload one of these slappers. That is right, guys. We have another brand new unboxing over on the channel today. Also, New Balance, baby. We got another New Balance in the collection. This is one out of the two of the pack right here. This is the Whitaker group and the New Balance 1906 collaboration. Now, this is one of two, and these things are clean, guys. These things are super clean. This is, let me see, the shadow gray colorway is what they're calling these things. So this right here is the 1906 U. U stands for utility. Not entirely sure what the difference between that and the R is. If you guys are New Balance heads, let me know that in the comment section down below. We're gonna go over to the box right here. It's gonna be there. So here's another thing about the New Balance I've noticed. It's not like Nike's where there's no official colorway on these things. It kind of just says gray and beige, and then you have the size tag. So that's pretty much it. I got an 11.5 because New Balance to me fit like perfect when you go true to size, and there's just a little bit of room in there to make it like the, you know, perfect fit. So something to note, whatever you guys' normal size in, like your true to size that fits you the best, go with that. You shouldn't have a problem with the New Balance. Now, this box in particular is a very plain box. It's just kind of their standard New Balance box, even though it's a collab, not a special box. I do have this label right here, but the paper as well, it's just going to say New Balance standard tissue paper, and then you're going to get the shoes inside. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Social Status Whitaker Group 1906U in the shadow gray color. Now, this colorway is also with that teal blue. I don't know if it's called steel blue, whatever that that color is. I'll throw an image up right, bang, right here. I do have those things coming in the mail as well. I hit both of these on the Social Status website. I entered in for their EQL raffle, and I hit both of them. So, got my true to size in these things. If you guys are also aware why they're calling these the Whitaker Group New Balance collaboration and not just Social Status, because I think originally they were marketing as this is like Social Status's specific collaboration, and then over time it was just the Whitaker Group. Now, Whitaker Group, if you're not familiar, is Social Status, APB Store, and Mom and Yair, all under James Whitaker. So, you know, I just thought that was interesting that they kind of switched that up. So if you guys know, let me know in the comments. But yeah, guys, this, if you haven't known already, I've been getting into some New Balances. I did post a recent video of the Joe Fresh Goods 2002R, the Conversation Amongst Us collaboration. That thing is super dope, keeping those in the collection. And this is my first 1906. I do like this particular model. What honestly brought me to liking New Balance in the first place is the Action Bronson collab. Now, these are different, but it's the same model as the most recent, you know, Baklava collaboration. And these things are pretty dope. Pretty simple if you're overall just gonna, you know, kind of look at them in general, but I'm digging this runner. Lightweight. These things are very light, you know, lightweight. And I'm just digging the comfort, man. These things are pretty comfortable. The insole on these things, guys, is firm, but it's like, you can tell that thing's going to give you some nice support. This, you know, I don't know the whole tech spec, so don't kill me down in the comments for not knowing it. I'm just very new to this, so I don't know the exact specs, but I know that when you put this or the 2002 Rs, they're very similar midsole, and I know it's pretty damn comfortable, so let us just get right into these things right now. So one thing to note, you're going to get the flat white laces that are already pre-laced. It does have a creamish tinge to it if you're going to look right there, but they do also come with that flat gray. It's like that really light gray, shadow gray type of color. So nice that they included an extra set of laces. I'll throw an image up on the insoles right now, but I'm not going to take them out for this review. You'll get a picture of them on there. But it is pretty cool. It's a nice design. They kind of go hand in hand, so two of them make one design, which I think is really nice. Very cool. Let us see as well. It does say on the back of the tongue, Willful bias for community right there. It is a note to this collab as well, the little Willful bias. Does this one say the same thing? Yeah, they both are going to say the same thing with the New Balance logo. While you're on the tongue, it's this nice mesh tongue. It's going to say Willful Bias, or the WB right there as well on the tongue. So there's another little nod. No, maybe that's why they're calling it the Whitaker group. Because there's no actual social status badge on here. Okay, so maybe now I'm starting to realize why they did it. Okay, all right, that would make sense. But yeah, so on the inside as well, gonna get the type of cotton meshish vibe padding. These things are very nicely padded. I will say the tongue is, you know, it just feels nice to the touch. It does feel kind of premium, so I will say that. And let's just be honest, guys, right? Pretty simple when it comes to the design, right? Gonna all over mesh on the top of the overlays of the sneaker. This white creamish mesh. Also, you're gonna get these suede panels as well. That nice shadow gray suede, as well as the like TPU type of finish along that cage right here that goes all the way and wraps up around the sneaker. So really, really cool, guys. I do love that feature. Also, you're gonna get the New Balance logo right here in like a gloss black. You're also gonna get it outlined in like that nice vibrant yellow. And something to note on this, I did learn that the end lock right here, this is actually to help lock down the shoe, right? So if you tighten up your laces, this piece right here, it actually pulls up to give you some more lockdown support. If you have not known that, but yeah, these have straps in there and it actually helps you tighten up the shoe even more. So I do think that that's a pretty cool feature, as well as you're going to get hits of like this little yellow hit right there on the, what is that? The lateral side of the sneaker right there. Really nice. As well as this orange that pops through and the gray on that midsole. Really, really nice, guys. Just a pretty clean overall collab. You're going to get a pull tab on this model as well. It's that yellow pull tab with the little black stripe. That's going to go on both of these guys right there. So nice little pull tabs. Over on the back as well, you're going to get that heel cup, plastic TPU heel cup with a New Balance logo. And then you're going to notice that little air pod or whatever the heck it is back there. Please let me know in the comments. I'm not a tech spec guy, but let me know what that support is down there on the bottom of the sneaker. Like I said, really nice. Going to give you some nice traction on here as well. Pretty simple outsole, black outsole. You're going to get that orange, you know, kind of like a shank plate, right? That's basically what that is, to add some support and rigidity to the shoe. What does it say right there? Yeah, stability web is what they're calling that, as well as your New Balance little pod down at the heel right there. So nice little traction pattern. And I'm digging these, guys. I'm digging New Balance in general. I've been like looking and researching some of the most, you know, previous Joe Freshgoods collabs, as well as, you know, Salehi Bembury, some of the other stuff as well. From New Balance, like the other Action Bronson stuff. They do a lot of good work, guys, with some of these collabs. So I'm definitely going to be picking some more up and reviewing them for you guys. I might even go back and grab a couple of them Joe Freshgood joints, because those things are fire. We'll have another unboxing and review of the second one in this pack from the Whitaker group as well once they arrive. I didn't even get shipping confirmation on those yet. These ones came very, very quick. You know, I don't even know when I hit on the EQL, but it wasn't even a week until I got these. So shipping was fast on these. The other ones still haven't shipped, but once I get them, I'm going to do an unboxing review for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about New Balance in general. Have you guys been buying into the hype like your boy has? Is this like the new wave? Are Jordans completely done? Or is Nike gone? Are these the new king in town? Let me know all your thoughts about that in the comments section below. If you did enjoy this video today, guys, make sure you guys are smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell so you're not going to miss another one of the uploads. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, me, and the New Balance 1906U Whitaker group collaboration, Shadow Gray. We're out. Peace.